Welcome to my channel. It's Diaz Pro here. The top 10 largest economies in the world in 2024. United States is on number 1 position. Second is China. Third is on Germany. Fourth is on Japan. Fifth is on India. Sixth is on United Kingdom. Seventh is on France. Eighth is on Brazil. Ninth is on Italy. And number 10 position is Canada. The United States of America, region North America, and its annual GDP growth rate is 2.7%. The United States uphold its status as the major global economy and the richest country with a GDP of over $28.78 trillion as of 2024, steadfastly preserving its pinnacle position from 1960 to 2024. Its economy boasts remarkable diversity propelled by important sectors including services, manufacturing, finance, and technology. The United States enjoys a substantial consumer market, fosters innovations and entrepreneurial spirits, possesses resilient infrastructure, and experiences advantageous business conditions. China, its region is East Asia and its annual GDP growth rate is 4.6%. China has witnessed a notable upsurge in its economic progress, moving from the 4th rank in 1960 to the 2nd rank in 2024. The Chinese economy predominantly hinges on manufacturing, exports, and investment. It proudly possesses an extensive workforce, robust governmental backing, infrastructural advancement, and an expeditiously expanding consumer market. Germany, region North Central Europe, annual GDP growth rate is 0.2%. The German economy strongly focuses on exports and is renowned for its precision in the engineering, automotive, chemical, and pharmaceutical sectors. It derives advantage from its proficient labor force, robust research and development initiative, and a pronounced commitment to fostering innovation. Japan, its region is East Asia and its annual GDP growth rate is 0.9%. Japan's notable economy is distinguished by its progressive technology, manufacturing prowess, and service industry. Prominent sectors encompass automotive, electronic machinery, and financial domains. Moreover, Japan garners recognition for its unwavering work ethics, pioneering technological advancement, and exceptional exports of superior quality. India, its region is South Asia and its annual GDP growth rate is 6.8%. In April 2024, the IMF estimated India GDP growth rate at 6.8%. In July 2024, it revised the forecast of 20 basis points to 7%. This optimistic outlook is attributed to increased household spending, particularly in rural areas, driven by higher agricultural incomes and government support programs. India ranks 5th in the world GDP ranking for 2024. The country economy is diverse and rapidly growing, fueled by key sectors such as information technology, services, agriculture, and manufacturing. India capitalizes on its broad domestic market, a youthful and technology-adept labor force, and an expanding middle class. United Kingdom. Its region is Western Europe and its annual GDP growth rate is 0.5%. The economy of the United Kingdom is a blend of services, manufacturing, finance, and creative sector. London serves as a global financial center, attracting foreign investment. Additionally, the UK trade alliances and globalization significantly shaped its economic growth. France. France is the region of Western Europe and its annual GDP growth rate is 0.7%. The economy of France is characterized by diversification with a strong emphasis on industries such as aerospace, tourism, luxury goods, and agriculture. France is renowned for its robust social welfare system, well developed infrastructure, and substantial investment in research and development. Italy, its annual GDP growth rate is 0.7%. Italy boasts a highly developed market as the third largest economy in the European Union. The nation is known for its influential and pioneering business sector and diligent and competitive agriculture industry. Brazil, its annual GDP growth rate is 2.2%. The Brazilian economy exhibits a breadth of sectors encompassing agriculture, mining, manufacturing, and services. Notably, it is a prominent global hub for agricultural production and exportation. Several factors, including commodity prices, domestic consumption, and the advancement of infrastructure, shape the growth of Brazilian economy. Canada. Its annual GDP growth rate is 1.2%. The Canadian economy relies heavily on its abundant natural resources encompassing oil, gas, minerals, and timber. Moreover, the nation boasts a thriving services sector, a well-established manufacturing industry, and a steadfast dedication to fostering innovation and technological advancements.